Hey guys, Ed here, and in this video today I'll show you how to remove your door panel from passenger side in 2005 to 10 Dodge Charger. So let's start. So what we're gonna have to use, we're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver and a regular screwdriver, flathead. So let's start. I think those are the only tools. Let's check. Okay, so let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we'll have to remove these clips. This, and two over here. So you have to be very careful with these clips, because if you do it the wrong way, you're gonna break them. So how to correctly get the clip out? You just carefully press on the middle, just a little bit, not too hard. Press on it, not too hard, and now you're able to get it out. Okay, so I'm gonna just get it out like this. Okay, so you see the trick is if you push too hard, you're gonna break it and it's not gonna be usable. Later on I'll show you how to put them back in. So now let's start with taking out all the clips. The clips are very brittle, so make sure you're very gentle with them. Then we take Phillips screwdriver and remove 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Okay, so let's do that now. Okay, once you have the screws out, next step is you have to get, you can either use a hook like this or a screwdriver. Just get this cover, open it. Okay, same thing here, just have to open this cover. Okay, so now you have access to 2 more screws and get them out also. So let's get them out. Okay, so at this point we should be able to get the panel off. There should be some clips holding the door down, I believe. So let's just try to do this. Okay. Raising the panel up. Okay, so I got the panel off. Thing is, now we have to remove the link from the handle, and you do it this way. Tick, remove and raise up. Oh, just raise up. And the last step is connector. Okay, so now good. Yeah, so now what we have here is we have also, I have 2 clips which stayed in the door, so I have to remove them. So just take a screwdriver and get the thing out. Get both of them out. They should just come out easy like this. If you have a nail puller with a hammer, just use that. I'm gonna use this. Well, why not? Okay, here's the clip. Second one. Well, yeah, I managed to damage my clip here, but it still functions fine. It's gonna be fine. So now, whatever you took the panel off for whatever reason, you had to do this. So this is the speaker. If you need to get inside, you just take this cover and just peel it off. Okay, it just peels off, and yeah, do whatever you have to do. So now let's put everything back together. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take the clips we took off from the door panel, from the door, and click them back in place like this. One, two. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna put the panel back on. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect the connector, and then when the connector is connected, you have to take the link from the door and put it in. Alright, very good. Put you guys here. And now we're gonna just raise up and put the panel. Okay, so I'm just taking the panel up, putting it, lining it next to the window. Okay, making sure it's right next to the window so it's nice and neat. Okay, now I'm gonna click in the panel. The clips we took out, we're gonna click them back in now. That's it. That's it. As you can see, it's very simple. Next step, let's take the screws we took out. All 6, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's put the screws back in place. Okay, so we have all the screws back in place. Then we just close lids like this, close the lids, and now let's take. Now look, the clip itself, you need to go. Okay, try to put this. You need to take the clip and go after, like this, so you have this thing out. Now, when it's out, you can take it like this and just slide it in, and then you just press here. Okay, that's it. Now the clip's holding everything down, everything's nice and neat. And do the same thing with all the clips. Okay guys, so I hope this helps, and if this helps, please press thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye.